2 years ago, AI videos started to take over the internet, and even I encourage everyone to start getting on that train and make money. However, 2 years later, I think it's fair to say that we as a society don't like soulless AI videos anymore, especially when almost every other video on TikTok became a Reddit story or a would you rather video. So if you were planning to start making AI videos, and if you do it in the traditional way, you probably won't get many views. But don't worry, in this video, I will explain the new way that I found to make AI videos, which will potentially help you gain millions of views. I have done this personally for multiple channels that I own, so I know for a fact that this works. So there's 4 main things that you need to focus on, but there is an order for this, and at number 1 comes engagement. By engagement, I don't mean ask questions or ask them to leave comments. That's what we did 10 years ago, and right now things have changed. Initially, you need to identify your audience and what they like. If you are targeting children under the age of 13, you need to have a lot of colors and have a friendly tone. Or if your main target is billionaires, you probably want your videos to be extremely professional and high quality. That means no cheap sound in background music or low quality AI voiceovers. And once you identify your audience, you need to look at your competitors and basically study them. Listen to their background music. Are their AI voiceovers better than yours? Do they have more accurate captions? Watch their videos over and over again and try to improve every aspect of your videos to excel more than theirs. You don't have to do the same thing. Some of the things that you do will be completely different from them. Just make sure that they have the same quality, with the exception that yours is mainly made with AI. Number 2, manually edit your videos. I think this point speaks for itself, but in case it doesn't, don't rely on AI editing software. I know there's a bunch of advanced AI editing software, but I personally have not experienced anything that can actually replace an actual human. And editing is one of the most important things after the voiceover and the plot. And some might argue that it's even higher up than the voiceover. I mean, I have a foreign accent, but you still watch this far, so it most likely is. Now, if you don't know how to edit a video, there's tons of free videos online, but I am also thinking of creating a master guide that basically explains how to edit a video to get millions of views. So if you are interested in that, make sure to leave a comment below. Now, there is a misconception that you need to make many things happen at once and basically stimulate the viewers multiple times per second. And that does work sometimes if you want to go the easy way. MrBeast used to do that, and tons of faceless channels copied that style as well. But I do think that we have moved on from these brain rot type of videos to more advanced plot driven videos. And MrBeast himself has admitted that he is focusing more on long form plot driven content instead of trying to cram 3 to 4 challenges in one video. However, you also don't want to be too boring. Our attention spans have been affected by TikTok and short form content, so you can't just show the sunset the entire video even if you have a golden plot. You just need to find the balance between brain rot and boring. Number 3 is the plot. As I said before, the plot is the most important thing. You can have bad editing and a bad voiceover, and still if the plot is good, you could get a lot of views. But if you have a bad plot, even if you hire Morgan Freeman for the voiceover and spend thousands of dollars on editing, it still won't get many views. There are 3 aspects for a good plot: the hook, the credibility, and the content. If I had more time, I could break this down even further, but let's proceed with this for now. The hook is where many people mess up, and especially when you make the video with AI, it's really hard to get it right. What you need to do is first look at the scope of what you are covering in the video and reverse engineer it to come up with a good hook. For example, if you're making a video about how to build an AI chatbot and make money with it, I can summarize the scope to something like building an AI chatbot and launching it, finding new customers, scaling the business to 6 figures, and potentially selling the company. Now after that, you could use ChatGPT or just do it yourself and make a good hook. This is what I came up with, and I am pretty sure that this would get good views. In the past 6 months, I made more than $200,000 with an AI chatbot that I made within 2 hours. And I even have an offer right now to sell it for $4 million. So if you stick with me till the end of this video, I'll be able to tell you exactly how I did it and how you can do it as well. But if you are saying something like this, you need to have the credibility to back you up. Now, since I don't have a $1 million AI chatbot company, if I continued with that video, people would have called my bluff within the first minute. So just make sure that your content fulfills about 90% of the claims you made in the title and thumbnail. Just take this video for an example. You clicked on it because I claim that AI channels are dead, and if you are running an AI channel or planning to run one, you don't mind spending a couple of minutes to listen to what I have to say. And once you clicked on the video, I specifically explained my hook, and you logically thought about it and it made sense, and that is the reason that you have watched this far, unless you are a really big fan of the channel. Moving on, Number 4 is monetization. I know you really want to make a lot of money by doing AI videos, but if you do it too much, you run the risk of permanently killing your channel. Now of course, this doesn't apply if you are just starting out, but even then, it's not about whether you're doing paid content or not, it's about your viewers thinking whether something is sponsored or not. For example, I have seen these type of videos where the creator will find some unique cool websites and showcase their features. In most cases, people really love them, but in case if any website looks shady or they no longer offer a free plan, the comments would go crazy. Now usually the creators are not paid by these companies, but it doesn't really matter because the viewers already think so. So if your content also includes third-party products or services, just be honest about their functionality and also clearly state that you're not sponsored. Now if you do get sponsored, however, make sure to carefully check the product or service and make sure that they're not a scam, and if you can, try to avoid companies that have a bad track record because it would affect your brand as well. Next, if you're selling your own product or service, don't make it your entire personality. I have seen many people sell their product or service in every single video, and at some point all they do is make videos about the product and try to sell it instead of creating engaging content that took the attention of the people in the first place. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to survive this AI video apocalypse and make a lot of money. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.